Hey, today's video will be about Zeek. Let's first launch two instances. Zeek install. Let's go for this one. This 2 GB. No, Zeek is there. Let's make it 15 GB. And launch instance. And parallelly, I will launch another instance because I want to use it. It should be free tire. Look, 10. Good to go. Oh, network key. Let's have the same network key. Now launch. In the meanwhile, let's say, what is a Zeek? What is Zeek? Zeek is a powerful open source network traffic analyzer framework. It is used for network security monitoring, intrusion detection, protocol analysis, and traffic logging or forensic. Okay. So this is for security teams, network hunters, forensic analysts, researchers. So because this is a network security monitoring tool, I want to show you after that running it how it works. Do not disclose my own IP. I'm gonna access one SSH inside another. Wait, where is it? Yeah, let's install. So Ubuntu. Now what I'm gonna do is that exit. SCP. What this command will do is that it will upload the key file to the SSH. To the server. Work. Yep. Now let's do this. Now from here, let's install. Let's connect to this SSH. The reason why I'm doing this is like If the network log shows, it will in the network log show this, the previous one's IP, not this one. So we are inside an SSH, inside SSH. So let's install Zeek. Let's try the simple term sudo apt get update. Get update. Sudo update. Not bad. Get install Zeek. Let's see. Give me the command. Let's copy paste it. ChatGPT has made our life so easy. Why? E403. Done. Done. Yup. Thank you, ChatGPT. So let's see. After installation, how to run Zeek. Okay. One minute 15 seconds. In the meanwhile, let's play around with ChatGPT. How good? What are the? Give me the list of protocols supported by Zeek. HTTP, HTTPS, DNS, SMTP, FTP, SSH, ISRTP, Modbus, OCSP. That's really good. That's really good. Then let's go on this one. Interface. Okay. No configuration because I'm not using any configuration here. Installing. Whoa. Please let it be done. Let it be done. Yo, yo, yo. So let's see. What are the interfaces? ifconfig. ifconfig is not installed. ifconfig. It's enx0. So let's see. Zeek. It's not here. But I have already installed Zeek. Let's see. I think there is one configuration. Yeah, it's here. Zeek. Then it's here. I don't know why it's not going there. Let's see. H. Yep. This is all bin files. Right. Address. Okay. Okay, I can send the Zeek to the executable file. Oh, sorry. opt bin Zeek. Okay. cd bin ewd. Okay. So now cp let's take this file. And permission denied. Okay. Zeek H. Yeah, I'm a genius. So let's run sudo Zeek I enx0. Okay. Now it's running. It's definitely running. So I want to run. Backside. I'm forgetting the terms. No hub. Yeah, the term was no hub. In no hub, it will run, but we can also navigate there. Then it will run in the background. Yep, it's running. 3881 is the sure. Yep, here is the 3881. This one. Now let's check. Let's check. Zeek. I think etc. No, logs sudo su. It will change it to the roots. Right? Why there is no log? Alright. Okay, okay, okay. Maybe it will. It's here. CD user cd local Zeek. There is nothing here. Then where is the log? Ah, it's creating log here only. Where the directory where I'm writing. Let's say con.log cat. Yeah. 51,103. Yes. It's 54. And if you go there, it's 54. So it's right. It's really good. What are the protocol that has found so far? NTP DNS connection log. Weird log. Let's go for the weird log. Bad UDP checksum. Really nice. I don't know which is this IP that is trying to connect here. To not show my IP, that's why I went inside a SSH shell. From there, I have again connected another SSH shell, and here you can see now my IP. Good. It's already able to find so much thing. She put a log. Let's go for that. Get. Nothing is here. DNS. I should go for the DNS also. Here is IP. So this is our. It can be installed and it can be used. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.